Welcome back to 5 Min Smart. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2026. I'm Liam.
And I'm Alice. Today, we're witnessing the perfect storm. Three separate crises are colliding in a single week: the US debt, the Federal Reserve leadership, and the AI ROI audit.
Let's start with the big one. The US national debt hasn't just hit a new number, it has hit a new reality. We've officially surpassed 100% of our nominal GDP for the first time since World War II.
It's more than just a ratio, Liam. In 2026, the US is now paying over $1 trillion a year just in interest. That is more than we spend on our entire military or Medicare. We are borrowing money just to pay the interest on the money we already borrowed.
This is what you've called the fiscal death spiral. But there's a political earthquake happening at the same time. Jerome Powell's term ends next Friday, and the Senate is moving to confirm Kevin Warsh.
Kevin Warsh is the ultimate hawk. His nomination signals the end of the easy money era. If he's confirmed next week, we're looking at a structural shift toward higher for longer rates to combat the fiscal dominance of the debt. The market is already pricing in a much more aggressive Fed.
So the government is broke, the Fed is getting tougher, and that brings us to AI. The speculative bubble is officially meeting the fiscal audit.
Exactly. In a world of 5% interest rates and $40 trillion in debt, companies can no longer afford to wait and see if AI works. 2026 is the year of the Capital Intensity Audit. Investors are demanding immediate ROI to justify the massive capex. If your AI isn't cutting costs or generating revenue today, it's a liability, not an asset.
It's a transition from AI hype to AI utility, forced by economic gravity.
Precisely. Here is your sentence for the next executive meeting. The industry is pivoting from generative experimentation to harness engineering as firms prioritize the mitigation of cognitive debt in agentic workflows.
Fiscal dominance meets AI ROI. That's the 2026 reality.
It is. Watch the Senate confirmation and the 10-year Treasury yield. Those are the only signals that matter this week.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to 5 Min Smart to stay ahead of the curve. Support us on Ko-fi. Stay smart, and we'll see you tomorrow.